Hey folks, Peter is still at the MVP Summit, Building 36 on the Microsoft campus in Redmond. And he called up with someone who needs no introduction at the Workplace Ninja Summit. It's Gerry Hampson. Gerry is an endpoint management specialist and has been with us at every single Ninja Summit since the very first one back in 2020. Every year, without fail. They talk about what Gerry is bringing to Baden this September. And trust me, it's good. Have a listen. Good luck, guys.
So, thanks, Frans. And look who's here.
Hey.
Mr. Gerry.
How are you?
Please introduce yourself for our viewers.
My name is Gerry Hampson. I'm a consultant, a specialist in endpoint management. Been doing this a long, long time, same as yourself, and delighted to be here.
Yeah, we're at Building 36.
We are in Redmond in the
MVP Summit.
The MVP Summit, the home of Microsoft and where it all happens, and having a good time, having a good week, and
definitely.
learning.
Learning, and in September you will be at Workplace Ninja Summit.
Yes,
again.
And thank you very much for asking me. Delighted to be selected. I think I've done every one since it started. I believe back in 2020 was the first one. Would that be
it was
right?
during COVID. We had to cancel the in-person one.
Yeah. So I've done every year, and I will do every year as long as you keep inviting me. Thank you very much.
We're delighted that you will be there. What can we expect from you in September?
Oh, I didn't know you were going to ask me that. Oh, right. It's so far away. Okay, so
hopefully a lot of things we learned this week can be translated. Now it's NDA.
A lot of things that we do, yes. Also, I like to speak about things that I'm doing every day, projects I'm doing. And one of the technologies I'm implementing a lot these days is Global Secure Access, or Entra Private Access specifically, as a replacement for VPNs and the challenges that brings. So, yeah,
zero trust is key in that. Right?
Very key. Yeah. So I'm doing some projects on that, and some, have their difficulties with legacy apps. Don't like the tunnel, this kind of thing. But yeah, something like that, and of course the trusty Intune. Perhaps we'll do something with Intune. Troubleshooting apps is a home favorite, something like that.
Cool.
But yeah,
looking forward to it.
Yeah, whatever's top of mind at the time.
So, thanks for your time here, and let's get back to France. And if you want to join the summit, make sure to get your ticket.
Yeah, and very important, you learn from the brightest people in Europe and in the world. Back up. And see you in Baden. Yeah. Baden's a great venue, really brilliant location. Yeah. My favorite place that you do the summit. I like the hotel. The fact that you stay in the conference center, a big area for love Baden. It's a great atmosphere, and so see you in September.
Cheers.
So Gerry Hampson back in Baden this September. Global Secure Access, Entra Private Access as a VPN replacement, Intune troubleshooting, real projects, real challenges, real solutions, straight from the field. And as Gerry said, Baden is a great location, great atmosphere, and you learn from the brightest people in Europe and beyond. Every year, since day one, that says it all. Grab your tickets via the link in the description and see you in Baden.